Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we'll use a simple example, turning news into AI-generated jokes, to show how our platform works seamlessly with intelligent systems. Artificial intelligence isn't just about creativity, it's also about collaboration. And nowhere is collaboration more powerful than in data analysis, where collecting, cleaning, and organizing data meet intelligent systems' ability to generate insights, automate tasks, and explain results. Most of the time, you have to switch between different tools to make all these steps work together. That's where our software comes in, connecting every step into one intelligent workflow. It's an all-in-one platform that turns complex data into clear, actionable outcomes. To show how it works, we built a simple demo. A joke generator. It starts with real news, then uses large language models to create jokes, validate results, format outcomes, and deliver the results. Here's what the workflow looks like inside our software. It's a browser-based platform that requires no coding. We start with the Internet Source tool. It's a tool that helps us collect articles directly from CBS News and convert it into table format. Next, we feed each article into our artificial intelligence tool. This prompt asks the system to read the news and create a funny joke inspired by the content. Here's the output. For every news article, the system generates a joke. And the second tool steps in to evaluate each joke, rating its humor quality. It outputs two information, short reasoning and a quality score. The system then compiles the output into two new columns. But we don't stop there. If a joke receives a low score, we can introduce the loop to let the system automatically rerun the generation and evaluation steps. This loop continues until it produces a high-quality joke, ensuring only good results move forward. Finally, using the email tool, we can automatically send out jokes to target recipients. This turns the workflow into a true artificial intelligence agent, one that reads, writes, evaluates, improves, and delivers all on its own. And that's just one example of how we turn complex data into clear, actionable outcomes. If you'd like to see what our software can create for you, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.